My name's Chef Egg, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple chicken quesadilla. Now we have our skillet on medium heat, and I'm gonna add a little drop of olive oil to the bottom. And now we're gonna toast off our tortilla on one side to get it nice and lightly golden brown. This is also gonna increase the flavor of the tortilla. And that looks really, really good. Just when you see it start to bubble up. There you go, that looks good. Now we're gonna flip it over and repeat the process. And while that's heating up, I'm gonna add my cheese. I have some cheddar cheese, I have a little white cheddar cheese, and I have some mozzarella cheese. And if some cheese falls around the side, that's all good. That's just gonna make it nice and crispy for us. Next, I've got some chicken. We're gonna lay that down there very, very simply. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my homemade taco seasoning to this. A little cumin, chili powder, paprika, just a pinch. There we go, that looks awesome. All right, now while that cooks, I'm gonna grab a plate. And just kind of take a peek under there. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. This is looking really good. If it starts to brown too quickly without the cheese melting, just drop the heat to low and let that residual heat from the pan melt that cheese. This looks really, really good. It smells really, really nice too. Now you can make quesadillas like sheet pan style, where you lay out a bunch of tortillas and cheese and throw them in the oven. You could throw this in a toaster oven, or you could do an air fryer if you like. I really like doing it in the skillet because I like that golden brown color. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Just another couple of seconds on here. Flatten that chicken out. The cheese is getting nice and crispy around the edge. Really, really good. All right, let's check the bottom. Nice and golden brown. All right, let's fold this over and give it a smash. Beautiful. All right, let's take this out of the skillet, pop it on our plate. And I've got some fixins to go with this. So I've got some homemade fresh guacamole right here. Love that. I also have a little hot sauce to go on the side if you like. And that is our easy chicken quesadilla. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.